Hi everyone, how are you guys doing today? Pablo's here and I'm here with.
Xavier.
What are you gonna try today,
I'm
Xavier?
gonna try the bacon chicken sandwich from Popeyes.
The bacon chicken sandwich?
Yeah. See how it looks like?
Let's see. I'm gonna try mine. Mine's the classic. Oh wow.
I mean, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Same. You like the chicken bacon?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's very tender and very crunchy. What do you think? Is it good?
Yeah. Good.
Have you tried the fries?
Yeah. I rate them like I say 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? I give these like a 9 out of 10. They're very fresh and very well made. And what about your drink?
I got some strawberry Fanta. Let's try that.
I got cherry coke.
I rate this, I guess, 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? I give it like 10 out of 10. And again, we would like to thank you guys, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.